My name is Andrea Leiter and I am an assistant professor at the Amsterdam Center for International Law. Broadly speaking, I research how value is coded in law and in code in our current digital economy. At my time at IAS, I'm going to start a research project that is called Recoding Values in the Digital Economy, and I received a Veni grant from the Dutch Research Council for that project, so I'm very excited to kick it off here. And the project really asks the question of how is value measured, expressed, distributed in societies, and what underwrites this kind of distribution. And many experts in different fields and different disciplines concur that currently we are working with a very narrow financial understanding of value. And this understanding of value leads to excessive inequality and an extreme degradation of the environment. So a fresh perspective on value is necessary, and I am looking for such a fresh perspective in the world of technology, to be specific in decentralized autonomous organizations. These are basically organizations or communities that use blockchain technology to issue tokens within their own structures, and these tokens can have different functions, can operate in many different ways, and so they are just a perfect way of experimenting with recoding values in a more just and a more sustainable way. At my time at IAS, I'm hoping to engage with scholars from other disciplines and learn and understand how value plays a role in their respective fields.